Okay, my friends, you wanna eat some biscuit again? Okay, just hang on. Let me finish. Let me finish. Okay, it's I'm gonna make it fair to all of you. So, hi everyone. Look at my puppies here. They're bigger now compared to the last time when I uploaded the video. See, they're getting big. They're big puppies now. So that's Blackie, Blackie Man, Blackie Mary. Blackie Man. Wait. Get down. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, just wait for me. Okay. Hang on. No. No. Wait. Okay. Oh, Blackie Mama is coming there. Oh, okay. Just wait. Just wait. Okay. Wait for me. Okay, that's yours. Blackie, Brownie. Okay, that's our Brownie stand. Okay. Blackie Mama, your turn. Okay, so my puppies eating this biscuit. So that's tasty biscuits at beef flavor, 80-gram net. So it's made in Papua New Guinea by Paradise Food Company. So a taste of paradise. So it's a bit salty. So I'm just giving them to eat. Slowly. Take it easy. Yep. Good boy. Oh, don't jump. Get down. Okay, Brownie. Okay, good girl. Good boy, Brownie. Good boy. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. See, my puppies like to eat biscuit. Wait. Okay, here, Brownie. Slowly. Not too fast. Okay, Mama Blackie. Not too fast. So here's Brownie. Oh, Brownie, where have you been? Here, get that biscuit. Okay,